Today, we're sharing some of the best laundry hacks that will forever change how you wash your clothes. If you want to keep your wardrobe in fantastic condition without drowning in dirty laundry, you've come to the right place. We're saving the most ingenious laundry tool for the end, so make sure you stick around. My name's Holly and I'm from Expert Home Tips, the first place you should turn to if you want to learn about DIY home management and more. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on the latest life hacks. And another reminder, we have an email newsletter. If you'd like to stay updated with the newest cleaning hacks, we have a link to sign up below. From sorting fabrics to treating stains, getting to the bottom of the laundry hamper can be incredibly time-consuming, especially if you have a big family. With a few easy tips and tricks, we're here to revolutionise this repetitive household chore. Let's get started by looking at some of the best laundry hacks. First, try this hack to speed up drying. We've all been there. You plan to wear something only to find it dirty or damp. Most washer dryers have a quick wash option, but what about faster drying? To remove moisture from your laundry quickly, pop a clean, dry towel in with the wet laundry load. This simple trick helps absorb excess water and reduce the overall drying time. We'd only recommend using this trick with similar heavy fabrics. Pilling may occur with delicate items. Another tip to try is a DIY stain remover. If you're in a pinch, some household products can be repurposed into effective stain removers. It's one of our favourite budget-friendly laundry hacks. For instance, the degreasing properties of washing up liquid make it excellent for tackling oily stains. Apply it directly to the mark, gently rub the fabric together and leave it to sit for 15 minutes. After this short time has passed, wash the garment as usual. We also love using baking soda, lemon juice and chalk for DIY stain removal. To find out more, take a look at our website. The link is in the description below. At number 3 on our list, learn the art of the towel roll. If you've got wet clothes that can't go in the dryer, you might find they drip with water or take ages to dry when you hang them out. That's where the towel roll is handy, especially for delicate clothing like swimwear or workout gear. Lay out a clean, dry towel and place your damp garment on top. Gently roll the towel up, squeezing as you go. The towel will help to absorb moisture from the fabric so that when you hang the garment out, it will dry much faster. Another idea is to invest in a hanger stacker. This is a great laundry room hack. Spare hangers can create a frustrating tangled mess if you don't have a proper storage solution. Get rid of this eyesore with a space-saving hanger stacker. Consolidating extra hangers into a single stack helps to keep them neatly stored in your wardrobe or cupboard. This simple tool makes them easier to access when needed, saving you time. As always, we have left links for you to shop our recommended products in the description of this video. For our next tip, don't overdo it with detergent. The more detergent, the cleaner the garment, right? Wrong. While it may be tempting to pour in extra detergent, using too much can leave behind residue on your clothes. A build-up of these deposits over time can cause skin irritation and shorten the fabric's lifespan. Always follow the dosage instructions on the packaging of your detergent or pods. If you're running a smaller load, you may even want to use a little less. Following this rule will save you money as your detergent will last much longer. Our 6th tip is to add vinegar to your laundry. We love how versatile and cost-effective white vinegar is in our laundry routine. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative and want to try natural cleaning, you can start by substituting your fabric softener with vinegar. Similarly to overdoing it with detergent, fabric softeners can leave a coating on your fabric that builds up over time. You'll notice that your towels aren't as fresh and fluffy as they could be. Vinegar helps to clear this build-up while deodorising smelly clothes, towels or linen. See for yourself. Add 1 cup of vinegar to the rinse cycle when doing your laundry. It might sound strange, but you won't notice the smell of vinegar at all. Our next tip, we found the secret to creaseless clothes. Never iron again by following this simple rule. When your washing machine cycle finishes, hang your clothes out to dry straight away. Give each garment a snap, stretch and smooth to eliminate wrinkles. The longer you leave the laundry in the machine, weighed down by the excess water, the more creases will form. Hanging them out on a line or a drying rack encourages the wrinkles to fall out. At number 8, remember to look after your washing machine. It's easy to forget washing machine maintenance when drowning in laundry, but it's just as important. How can you expect to have clean clothes when your machine is smelly and mouldy? Here are a couple of tips to ensure the longevity and efficiency of this household appliance. A warm, damp washing machine is the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. You must ensure you air it out when you finish doing the laundry. Keep the door open for 24 hours to let it dry out. We recommend quickly wiping the interior gasket to keep it clean and dry. As for deep cleaning your machine, it couldn't be easier. Some appliances will even have a self-cleaning cycle. Add 2 cups of white vinegar to the empty drum and run a long, hot cycle. Clean your washing machine every 6 weeks to eliminate odours and mineral deposits. Tip number 9 is a handy substitute for dryer sheets. If you put single-use dryer sheets in every wash, they can get expensive. If you like the static removing effects, but not the price tag and the waste, try switching to reusable wool dryer balls. They're an eco-friendly option that pays for itself in the long run with energy savings. We love that you can customise the scent with a few drops of your favourite essential oil. As the dryer balls tumble with your clothes, they separate the layers of fabric, allowing warm air to circulate efficiently. This separation between the garments speeds up drying time, saves energy, and minimises wrinkles. For more energy-saving tips, check out our other video. Number 10 on our list is to use ice cubes in the tumble dryer. This is one of the weirder cleaning tips, but we're all about working smarter, not harder. Simply toss a handful of ice cubes into the dryer along with your wrinkled clothes and wait for the magic to happen. As the clothes dryer heats up, the ice cubes melt, creating a steaming effect in the drum. The steam will help reduce creasing and wrinkles, making your laundry much easier to deal with. This hack is an effective and time-saving alternative to ironing. Tip number 11 is to use delicate bags. As far as we're concerned, these mesh bags should be a staple in every household. They're an essential protective measure for delicate items that can snag, lose shape, or need more care. The mesh allows water and detergent to cleanse the garment, ensuring a thorough yet gentle clean. But that's not all. You can use them to wash any small items that could be easily lost, like scrunchies and socks. Throw them in a delicate bag before you put them in your washing machine. They'll come out ready to be organised. A top tip is to clip one of these handy bags to the side of your washing basket so it's easy to organise smaller items as you go. Another laundry hack is to separate heavier and lighter items. We've all heard of sorting your laundry by colour, but do you also do it by weight? If not, you should. Mixing weights like heavy towels and light t-shirts can cause friction in your machine. More friction will lead to pilling and excess wear. We recommend a gentler wash cycle for delicates and a more robust one for heavy items to optimise cleaning and maintain longevity of your garments. Keep your clothes looking great with this simple sorting strategy. For our final tip, try using a hat guard to clean hats. This product is genius. We wish we had known about it sooner. Baseball caps need cleaning from time to time to keep on top of sweat and makeup stains. People often ask us if we can put hats in the washing machine. If they don't have a cardboard brim, you can machine wash your favourite baseball cap, but it can be tricky to maintain their shape and integrity. A hat guard is like a mesh laundry bag, but it's designed to protect the original shape during laundering. Simply place the hat inside before washing. It will come out good as new. Those are all our laundry hacks to help you get through your mountains of washing. We'd love to hear your tips too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. To read more laundry tips, head to our website, experthometips.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more expert home tips.